Are you ready to transform your website with an eye-catching interactive element? In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a carousel in Elementor that's not only free, but also super easy to set up, using the powerful Content Carousel widget. Let's get started. Before getting started, make sure you have the Unlimited Elements free version installed and activated on your WordPress website. Then, head over to Unlimited Elements, Widgets, and use the search bar to find Content Carousel. Hover over it and click Install to add the widget to your site. Next, go to the page you want to edit and drag and drop the Content Carousel widget from the Widgets pane onto your Elementor canvas. This widget supports dynamic data, including posts, WooCommerce products, ACF repeater fields, JSON or CSV files, terms, users, menu items, and more. For this tutorial, we'll use the free Items Repeater option to add our content. However, you can upgrade to the Pro version to unlock all dynamic features. In the general settings, choose a content layout from options like Under, Overlay, Under Overlap, Partial Overlay, Reveal from Bottom, or Overlay Bottom. The first option is available in the free version, but the other layouts require the Pro version. Set the content width according to your layout. Adjust the content spacing. Enable or disable autoplay by setting it to either true or false. Set the slide duration in milliseconds. Enable this option to pause autoplay when the user hovers over the carousel if required. Specify the number of items to display in the carousel. Adjust the spacing between carousel items. Enable looping to make the carousel continuously cycle through items. Select an offset type accordingly. Enable the center option if you want the active slide to be centered. Set the number of navigation dots to appear after every X item. Enable the RTL, right to left option if your layout requires it. Choose an appropriate image size for carousel items. Enable Change Item on Click option to change items when clicked. Adjust the transition speed for the carousel. Choose the link type, regular or lightbox. Adjust the delay time in milliseconds before the carousel loads. Enable auto height to auto-adjust height according to the highest visible slide. Enable the touch drag option to allow touch-based dragging on touchscreen devices. Similarly, enable the mouse drag option to allow users to drag the carousel using a mouse. In the layout options, show or hide the arrows, navigation dots, and image on the carousel. Enable or disable the image link option. Show or hide the content and title. Select the HTML tag for the title accordingly. Enable or disable the title link option. Similarly, show or hide the intro and button according to your layout. In the Connected Widget settings, enable the Connect Remote Control Widgets option if you plan to add remote controls later. This allows the remote widgets to control the timeline. In this section, you can also sync the widget to other item-based widgets. Now, let's add the content for the carousel items. Enter the text for the title. Choose the desired image to display. Select the source as either content or template. Enter the text for the content. Enable or disable the button display. Enter the button text if required. Type or paste the URL to link with the carousel item if needed. I will quickly add the content for the remaining carousel items. Once you've added the content, you can start configuring the widget style settings to match your design needs. Select the image, height type and image ratio, content text alignment, background color, and more, to ensure the Content Carousel widget seamlessly integrates with your website's design. Now, let's add the Remote Arrows widget to the page, set it to Auto-Detectable, and it will automatically connect with the Content Carousel. We can style the remote arrows accordingly to match our website design. Finally, to complete the design, let's add the Remote Counter widget to the page. Set it to Auto-Detectable, and it will automatically connect with the Content Carousel. We can also style the Remote Counter widget accordingly to match our website design. To wrap up the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more awesome tutorials. Start using unlimited elements and give your Elementor website superpowers. We can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for joining us and see you next time.